Well, hello. I'm thinking like I need to bring y'all down a little bit. I'm going to be doing some tutorials. Has the air fryer and asked if they could get some tutorials or some help, and I am more than happy to do that. So I'm making a few videos. Tonight's dinner is going to be all air fryer goodies, and we're going to have crispy chicken tenders. We're going to have some asparagus, and we're going to have some sweet potato fries. And so it's easy, but how do you get that crunch? How do you know when it's done? That type of thing. So I just took one bag of frozen sweet potato fries, and I put a couple tablespoons of olive oil, drizzled it on top, toss, did a little bit of salt, pepper, a little bit of seasoning salt, and like a half a teaspoon of rosemary, just to give it a little extra, you know what. And so I'm just going to divide evenly the fries on each of the trays that came with the Pampered Chef air fryer, and make sure that they're relatively spread out and not on top of each other. I mean, it's not going to be a crime if they're touching. All right, need my towel. So we found that the book is helpful to get started, but you have to figure out what cooking times you like your food at. Obviously, you don't want to eat chicken that's not reached 165 degrees. So we like our chicken a little bit crispier. We like our fries a little bit crispier. Our asparagus, we like it just past al dente. So I'll be doing a separate video for each of those, but right now this video is all about the sweet potato fry. Okay, so there's the air fryer, and one goes on the bottom, one goes on the top, and we're gonna do air fry. Oh gosh, I'm really close. We're gonna do air fry at 8 minutes 3 times. We just found that we're gonna rotate them 3 times. So 1, 8 minutes is done, flip, 2, flip them back, 3. And that just gives them the best consistency. And yeah, all right. So it's already plugged in. I'm gonna dial to air fry. Push the button once. Air fry is default 400 degrees. And I'm gonna go down to 8. Okay, and boom. All right. So then, when the 3 8s are done, I'll show you what the fries look like, and you can see the finished product. Okay? All right. There's one little goodie made for your air fryer, sweet potato fries. And if you have the Rapid Prep mandolin, you don't have to buy the frozen ones. You can slice and dice them up quick, make your own. Okay, cheers. Okay, so I'm back. The first 8 minutes just finished. You see, it says end. So I'm gonna, they're already sizzling. I might be happy with that 16. It just depends on what they look like after the next one, whether or not you want to do a third one. You know what? Something better than this. That's what these are for. All right, so put that one up there for right this second. See, you can already see the ones on the top already look pretty brown. I'll show you the difference. Those are the top ones. They look a little browner than those. It's hard to see in the light, I guess. But those are going to go up top now. And fill on the bottom. And we'll do another 8 minutes on air fry. There we go. And we'll see what they look like, okay? All right. Hey everybody, so I'm popping in with another little segment from the sweet potatoes that we were doing in the air fryer. I must not have done a third video or shown the last little segment, so I'm just coming in and I'm going to tell you what I did. But after the first 2 rounds of 8 and 8, the ones that were on the top were clearly done. So I took them out and I did the bottom ones for another 4 minutes, just so they would crisp up and match the ones that were on top the second time. And ours have a little bit of black on them. So you could have been done at that point. Like, they were good. But like I said, we like ours a little bit on the crispy side. So I didn't actually do 8, 8, and 8. I did 8 and 8, and they were good. But I chose to put the ones that were on the bottom that second time back up top for another 4 minutes, just so that they could match the color. And like I said, we just like them extra crispy. Okay, cheers.